this is Carl. Welcome back to this video in the tool review series. If you got any questions or concerns, please shoot me an email, scrollsoftvideo@gmail.com, or leave a comment in the section below. I do appreciate you watching. Today we are going to be reviewing this Worx portable workbench. So let me put down this heavy thing and we'll get to work on this. Okay, this is the Worx portable workbench. It's 300-pound capacity. Table saw is 31-inch by 25-inch. So let's go and open this thing up. I'm going to pause the video and get it out of the box, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, here is the Worx portable workbench out of the box. Here's the instruction sheet. We don't need that. Okay, overall look, it looks like it's a very, very sturdy tool here. From just this point right here, I like it a lot. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Boy, that was super easy. This is probably the easiest workbench I have that opened up. Okay, starting at the top, let's work our way down. Here's the top of the bench. Has two sliding tracks here. Has a ruler on top in inches and millimeters. It has the do not sit on, do not stand on, do not put weight on one side. I don't really know what this is. This is do not double stack. And I think this last one is max 200 pounds. Oh, max 200 pounds on the bottom shelf. Max 300 pounds on the top. So that's pretty impressive. It has grommets here, or connectors. We can hook two or more of these together. Nice feature. It looks like it needs more than two of these little connectors though. I would say if it had four of these, it'd be a lot better than just two. Probably would have cost them an extra 15 cents to put two more of these into the tool itself, but it is what it is. You have these trays here, a larger one and two smaller ones on each side. Pretty nice. Let's go over here to the side here. This side has a clamp connector connected. It just slides off and on. And there's also one on this side. So let's take these two clamps off. Now these clamps are pretty nice. They're not the strongest I've seen, but I think they'll do. Let's see here. Push in this right here, this little knob, to slide this out, same as this side. And they will connect inside of here. Like this. There we go. Or you can slide it with the knob, or you can do it this way. Fit one on each side. So you connect that into the right place here. Kind of an odd thing to put in place here, but I'm sure once you get used to it, it'll be fine. There we go. No, that wasn't it. Takes a little bit of getting used to. Let me slide this out, see if that makes a difference. There we go. really not quite understanding that, but I guess there we go. I guess it's, like I said, it's just once you get used to it, it'll be a lot easier. So let's see the clamping capacity on this. Let's go ahead and close that, tighten this up. The clamp, it bends in the middle, but it does hold the piece of wood. Let's try a bigger piece here, longer piece. Here we go. Just clamp that in, tighten it down with these. Was it pretty tight? Pretty tight. No, the one thing I do not like about it is these bars coming out the end. So I'm wondering if I'll be able to push these down farther on the table. But I'll play with that in the future. Let me go ahead and take these back out. That's not going to be too fun right there. There we go. I don't know how I did it, but it came out. Okay, if I pull the handle, oh, I see. The handle has a little bar. So let's set this in there, pull the trigger back. There we go. Well, that was easy once you figured that out. So, there we go. And they store right here on each side. Now, I wish they didn't slide like this. This might be a problem sometime in the future, so maybe if we just wrap a rubber band or something around right here, it won't slide back and forth. Wrap a rubber band around the bar. Might prevent it from sliding. Or, let's see. Yeah, that'll work. That'll prevent it from sliding. Let's just spread this out. So that's a good feature. Okay. Notice again, bench dogs are stored on the bottom. So they'll fit in here. Tabletop. That's a good feature. Let's see here. What else do we have on here? Not too heavy to carry around. Okay, let's see how easy this is to fold up. Let me slide this back into place down here. Whoops, goes on this side. Slide this into the tool holder. Push those to the outside. There we go. Let's see how easy this is to fold up. Oh, that was easy. Let me open this back up. If you notice, it has these two orange clips. Press those and it just folds. You'll stay in the position here, so you don't have to have your hands down there to close it. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and fold this up here. Whoops, clamp fell out. Close this side. Okay, you can use this as a sawhorse. Looks like you can put some 2x4s in here, such as this. Put 2x4s in here to use it as a sawhorse. Pretty nice little workbench. I'm pleased with it. Got this on Black Friday sale at Lowe's for $99. Think it's going to be a good addition to my shop. I think if you see it and use it a few times, you might like it yourself. So if you see it at Lowe's or your favorite hardware store, check it out. Like I said, I paid $99 for it. I think it's going to be a good addition to my shop. Not going to be my favorite portable workbench, but it is going to be one that gets used. I do appreciate you watching. Appreciate it if you like and subscribe and hit the bell below. Thanks.